Well, we got the log up on the mill, and my painted squares are a little cockeyed. The small one there, the difference here, we're looking at what's called, and somebody, I don't know who gave them the words, but one of them's called nominal and one of them's called dimensional. The 2x4, the larger 2x4 square, is what's referred to as nominal. When it was milled 2 inches by 4 inches. The smaller square is what's called dimensional lumber that you buy at the box store that's been planed and kiln dried and all that. And it is 1.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Now, I don't know who gave them these words, but somebody did. And so what I need, let me get this sun glare out of my face. What I need is just some 2x4s for batter boards and some 2x4s to make stobs out of. Now I found this old tree. It's been, I don't know how long it's been on the ground. I think my brother-in-law pushed it over the dozer some months ago. But it appears to me to be pretty solid. So I'm going to mill it up here and see if I can get some nominal or dimensional. Dimensional 2x4s, that's all I need. I need some for batter boards, and then if I have enough out of this log, and I got one more log, it's already, the moisture's gone out of it. It's not going to shrink, and I'm going to use them for braces for the post for the barn extension. So stick around, we'll mill up some lumber. All right, let's get busy milling some lumber here. Have a little, some of that hard metal music that's not music to my ears. Nobody else's. I gotta find me another glove though. No. Well, that was a wasted walk. I thought I was going to make a 1x4 out of that, but nope. that log. Out of that log, we got 10 2x4s, 12 foot long. I think the last time I checked it was $7.52 at the box store. 10 times $7.52, that's I don't know, about $76 plus tax. So if I went up to the box store and get those 10 12-foot 2x4s, I'm gonna spend about $80. Now, you have to consider how much lumber you use, because if you're not building stuff, you're not a carpenter or a rancher or farmer, and you just need a few 2x4s, you know, from time to time, probably a sawmill might not be the best thing. But if you do what I do, which is build a lot of stuff, it comes in mighty, mighty handy having these 2x4s. So let's see here. And we got 6 on the ground there, and 4 up here. And nice looking 2x4. I ain't gonna kid you. And I told you I was gonna saw these 2x4s. Dimensional or nominal? You remember correctly, or I did before. Dimensional, which is 3.5 inches. See if I can find that. Shoot. What happens when you're working with the sunlight? Three and a half inches. Okay. That one's a little less than 3.5. But that was the intent. That was, let me cross that off. I guess maybe I was looking at the wrong ruler. I didn't allow for the curve. Maybe they're all 1 inch and 3/8. I don't care. I mean, that's fine. That's totally fine. Because all these is gonna do, I mean, I could use 1x4s if I want to. All they're gonna do, that's spot on. They're really, really close. I'm just gonna use these for bracing, for the poles, and for batter boards. Pull my strings, get everything lined up. So I got them laying up here. I'll get back by lunch. I bet they'll be pretty close to dry.